Heartbreak is one of the most painful experiences we can go through, but it's also an opportunity for growth and renewal. Welcome to Mente Sano, where today we'll explore psychological steps to help you recover and rebuild after a heartbreak. Imagine turning your pain into power and finding hope after heartbreak. Let's dive into how you can start healing today. Heartbreak can feel overwhelming, affecting every aspect of your life. Whether it's the end of a romantic relationship, a friendship, or even a significant life change, the pain is real and valid. But with the right steps, you can heal and emerge stronger than ever. The first step is to allow yourself to grieve. It's important to acknowledge your pain and give yourself permission to feel sad. Journaling your thoughts and feelings can be a powerful way to process your emotions. Remember, it's okay to cry and to feel hurt. Next, lean on your support system. Surround yourself with friends and family who can offer comfort and understanding. Talking to someone you trust about your feelings can provide relief and a sense of connection during this difficult time. Self-care is crucial when healing from heartbreak. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's practicing yoga, taking a long bath, or diving into a favorite hobby, taking care of your physical and mental health is essential. Setting healthy boundaries is also important. Give yourself space from your ex-partner or any reminders of the past relationship. Create a new routine that helps you focus on the present and future rather than dwelling on the past. If you find it difficult to cope, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can provide valuable tools and support to help you navigate your emotions. Therapy can offer a safe space to explore your feelings and develop strategies for moving forward. Healing from heartbreak is a journey, but with time, patience, and the right steps, you can recover and rebuild a fulfilling life. Remember, it's okay to seek help and take things one day at a time. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Mente Sano for more insights into mental health and personal growth. Share your experiences or tips in the comments below. Together we can support each other on this journey. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and we'll see you in the next video.